Hey guys, this is jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox something new. It's not a smartphone, and yes, this is the newest notebook from ASUS, the ASUS TUF FX504. So the TUF Gaming is one of the known brands from the component sides of ASUS, and now reached to the gaming notebooks of ASUS. So it doesn't have the ROG branding, so it's still ASUS, don't worry. It's still powerful inside. So the one that we got has an Core i5-8300H processor, and of course we do have a really cool 120Hz display over here, and of course we got here a ASUS HyperCool technology. So according to them, it's an anti-dust cooling technology, and we also got a 1TB SSHD, a GTX 1050, Nvidia GTX 1050, which is mid-range, or probably a GPU that can run most games right now, even PUBG at low settings. And of course, this one has a 4 gigs of RAM. This variant that we got right now is the most affordable on the TUF FX504 series. And what I like about it is that this laptop is, despite having an affordable price, we do have a powerful processor, the newest 8th generation Intel processor inside, and also a decent GTX 1050. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox this laptop right now. So there we go. So this is the TUF Gaming FX504. So inside, actually we got here, okay, got here the laptop. We will talk about this one later. And of course we got here the charger. There we go. So we got here the charger. So this one is 19 volts, 6.32 amperes. You know, nothing special. Also got here the manual. And so far that's it. So basically that's what you're getting on the FX504. However, if you're getting the TUF FX504 at other other retailers or in other countries, you might get some other freebies. We're not sure, but this one is the one that we got here in the Philippines. Anyway, you know the specifications. So let's talk about the laptop. So I'm gonna place this one over here. So I'm gonna place this FX504 over here, and as you can see, I actually like the feel of the notebook. So we got here the metal feel over here. It's actually cold right now. I mean, the lid of the laptop is cold. We do not have the ROG branding over here, but we do have this X-like pattern at the top, and it adds to the edgy feel of the notebook. We also got here a weird line over here at the top. I'm not sure what that is. And on the left side, we got here the Kensington lock over here. And on the right side, we got here the decent ports that we need. So we have the power jack for the charger. We have the RJ45 for the LAN. We have HDMI. Unfortunately, we have still a USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0, and of course a 3.5mm audio jack. What I noticed about this gaming notebook is that it misses the SD card reader. So I actually just noticed that one just a few days ago after using this notebook. I didn't notice that I do not have the SD card reader. So it's actually well, not really a deal breaker for me, but it's annoying that I do not have the SD card reader. Okay, at the back we do have here the grills. So we have the grills over here. So I believe we have the fans over here, and also here we got 2 fans. I believe we have the same design of the GL503 inside, but we do have a different case. So below it's plastic, this one is plastic, and actually feels light. I actually like the weight of this notebook. It isn't that heavy, and it isn't super light. So that's expected on a notebook, a gaming notebook that is affordable. Okay, so I actually used this one. So yes, I've opened the box already. and turn on the laptop. Anyway, we got here, I'm gonna turn this one on. So we got here the 120Hz display. It's a 15.6 inches display, and I like the colors of the display of the notebook. We do have a really cool setup over here. So we got here the Mayan design. I'm not sure what they call this one. So this one, they have the Mayan design over here. This one is made of plastic. We got a brush metal finish. So I'm gonna just log into this one. Okay, so there we go. So we do have a really cool colors on the display. Okay, that's my Facebook, and we don't want to see that. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, the color of the display is actually pretty good. I actually like the color that we're getting over here. It's actually brighter than I expected, and for an entry level, I'm not sure, but for an affordable gaming notebook, we're getting a really good display on this one. Not just that, a 120Hz display. So probably if you're playing Counter-Strike Go or Overwatch, you would probably notice the speed. It's buttery smooth. It's even better than compared to other displays with 6Hz displays. You wouldn't actually see on the videos or the video review the goodness or the buttery smooth 120Hz display, but whenever you try out a 120Hz display, that's when you'll get the feel that I want a 120Hz display. I would always want a 120Hz display on a notebook. And we do have here, of course, the keys. It's not RGB. It has an LED backlit keyboard. It's only red. It's only available in red. No RGB over here or for section color or something. It's red. Okay, so it has a different keycap size. I'm not sure what's that thing called. We do have a smaller keycap size compared to the one on my GL503. This is why I'm having a hard time typing on this one. It takes time getting used to having a really good keycaps on the GL503 that transfer into FX504. Also, the travel distance of this keyboard isn't that good. Okay, so I'm having problems with that. So we have a long travel distance on this one. So whenever I'm typing two long articles, my fingers gets numbing. Anyway, it's numbing, and I quite don't like the feel of using the keyboard of this one. But for some people, it's not really a problem. They might be used to it. So according to this one, we got the GTX 1050, of course, an anti-dust cooling fan. Unfortunately, we can try that. We can't try that one out. So we do have a DTS headphone, a 20 million key press durability, and the world's fastest gigabit Wi-Fi. Well, you need fiber for that. Anyway, we do have also here the touchpad. What I like about the touchpad is that the touchpad is really solid, okay? So it's actually on par or even better than my GL503. And we do have a large trackpad over here. This one is really good. It's accurate, it's good, it's not that soft, and it has a really good feel. And I like using the touchpad of the notebook. But of course, it's a Windows notebook, so I really suggest that you use a mouse for this one, especially when you're gaming. So yes, we do also have here some grills over here. Okay, so this one looks really good. Actually, I actually like the design of this one. The FX504 has a pretty good design for a gaming notebook, for an affordable gaming notebook, and doesn't have the ROG branding, but it's quite decent enough for for gaming, and for some people who want to have a gaming feel on their gaming notebook. Gaming feel on the gaming notebook. Too much gaming. Anyway, I guess that's it for a short hands-on and of course first impressions of the ASUS TUF FX504. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing, hands-on, and first impressions of the ASUS TUF FX504.